Lichterus sy smir. Chan I bhain gúhan scarstal ballich na garage sa ta taring as ferrag a bhar na rálas neach go ger a hínte gan ita tjenkonan. Nionna hían yn horsús yn snasar sa híchte mwy I ddwych I fod o lúmain a baris na criún gardaf. Na sorry choma na skalarin rin driver sa ta stemnog fer a vis. Sa man gan yn hén a han fianish gach cloch uach sa chlug sio snéitje. Cos yna chalig fer elin a chwt fallish is chichtel coiach. Cos yna ienig tiolach sa bi stranger de lwy in iwndring. A statorst is shelsen chik I tekst na fewin oikat kryn it binge voor frosje. A thachger diev uit de gansenen aan de boschen trang na bel. Literacy in the pith. It's not just the raucous voices of the garage lads as they tease the young barman, their wild stories leaping yards between tongues, or the pretty girls as confident and stylish as you see out in the tiles of London, Paris, at least in Cardiff, or the casual hui from the kids to the driver as they slide from the school bus. Their own language also tells the story etched on each and every gravestone in this cemetery. Why would a family turn the loved one of their longing into a stranger? But hold on a second, check out the text of those teenagers gathered on the rainbowed bench. Have you ever seen so many consonants in the busy palms of the living?